What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today, on this very cold day, Chris is out, so me and Skippy Doodle are the only two techs working. But I wanted to give everybody a quick shop update, what we got going on. So the first thing is we've got this JL. We're having to do some transmission stuff to it. Transfer case stuff to it. So we're doing that right now. It's messy. So we got that going. We also did a cable upgrade for the transfer case. So not only are we doing some transfer case work, we also got an aftermarket cable from Steininger in there. So that'll be cool. Check this thing out. I want to show everybody this because this is probably like the cleanest Bronco 2 that exists. It's 1989 and it has 20,000 original miles on it. 22,000. And when it came in here, it was bone stock, like bone stock. So I talked the owner into doing a 4-inch lift in 31s. I mean, this thing pops. And we also did a hub conversion to locking hubs instead of automatic. So went to Warren. So check that out in there. And we did a 4-inch lift, and I'm telling you what, this thing is so freaking clean and like super retro. It's not even funny. We did a whole bunch of engine stuff to it too, belts, ABS valve. What else did we do? Battery, we did some other stuff, but check out this interior. It is literally immaculate. Like, the seat belts have never been used. It's crazy. It's crazy how nice this thing is. And I love that the owner said yes to like kind of like a old school lifted retro style with the BFGs and I don't know, keeping the original wheels, but we also did some wheel spacers, kind of popped those out a little bit. So that was freaking cool. We just now got done with it. We haven't even test drove it yet, but that thing is just wicked, and it's gonna drive so nice because the like I said, it's bone stock and everything looked good, but looks can be deceiving because these shocks didn't work. They're supposed to rebound, so they didn't even work. So I'm glad we got all that stuff done, but it looks fantastic. Fantastic group effort. Absolutely gorgeous. New bushings and brake lines and everything. So she's rocking and rolling. Here, pop the hood. Show them under the hood. This thing's insane. Yeah, it's nuts. Like, here, hold it open. Check that thing out, man. It's just factory gorgeousness. We did valve cover gaskets on it too. Like, that is so damn pretty. It's not even funny. Now, before you test drive it, make sure you wipe all your handprints and stuff off of it. But that's gonna be so kick-ass.
Working it over.
We got a Toyota Tacoma in haul. So we're not just Jeeps, guys. We do Fords and Toyotas and Chevys. Well, it's
won't judge you if you have a Nissan.
Yeah, well, I'll judge you if you have a Nissan, but we got the Toyota in here. She needs some love. We did some 33 BFGs instead of the 35s. So he had 35s on here. We ordered some 33s, slapped those on there. We did the rear axle seals and bearings. Just got finished with that. So it won't pass emissions. So now we're going to be screwing with the engine stuff. She's got a little bit going on as far as issues. Where is that? Yeah, there it is. Of course, I'm trying to pop the hood with one hand. So everybody just kind of bear with me. There we go. But we got some problems. We got some stuff to fix and situate. So we're gonna be screwing with this thing, doing some engine work. pig. We're still waiting on rear axle and engine, so nothing's really happened with that. Today, I'm dealing with this. We did a bull bar yesterday, so now we're putting on lifted struts from rough country to level it out, but pretty much all the bolts and bushings are seized, so the old struts wouldn't come out because the bolt is seized in there. The bolt is seized in the bushing. It's a big mess. It's got like 200 something thousand miles on it, so definitely time for some new stuff. So we got new lower control arms, obviously new struts, new sway bar links, and we're just getting buttoned up. This side's almost done, and then we'll come over here and work on this side that hasn't been touched yet. And we're having to use the torch to cut everything out, so that's fun. Special news for everybody who has Y-link steering or has independent suspension. Super awesome news. I didn't want to give it away yet, but screw it. We will have a special piece of equipment coming. We have to get the rest of it down here, and we have to put this on its wheels and then move it over here. This lift will move over here. This lift will go outside, and then the 4-post will go here. But we got an alignment machine, guys. We just bought it. We have to get it installed. Hunter's gonna come down to where the machine's at right now, pick it up, transport it over here, install it, and get it rocking. So everybody who has independent suspension, or that we've had to turn away because we didn't have an alignment machine, Y-link steering, all that fun jazz, pretty much we got you covered down, so that'll be cool. Let's see what else we got going on. We got some trailer repair we're gonna be doing. There's another taco. Got some trailer repair. We're gonna be doing some custom stuff to this. Rabbit broke, so we gotta fix it. Forrest, we did a bunch of stuff to his, got his rocking and rolling. We got Bumble in here. We need do some phaser work. The phasers are not happy. I'm driving the Ramrod over there. We're still waiting on insurance to start dealing with this. We got a Z71 in here. This GMC Yukon. This is having either transmission issues or transfer case issues. I'm not sure which one. I totally forgot. Came in yesterday. We got Colt's turd in the house. Can't drive it right now because something doesn't look right up there. So we're gonna be screwing with this POS. Got another XJ in the house. Bone stock, really clean, was from California. So she just needs some maintenance stuff, shocks and bushings and some engine stuff, some spark plugs and things like that. So we'll be getting her all handled. And other than that, we are rocking and rolling. God, that Bronco is so awesome. I cannot wait to see it out here. I want to do like a front bumper and a winch, but I doubt he'll let me go that far, but I don't know. I'll talk him into it. Jessica's here. Say hi, Jessica.
Hi.
Ask everybody how they're doing. How's their mama and them?
Hiya, Mama and them.
Okay, stop that. Hey, there's Tim. Count. I'll take some of that.
Going to the strip club.
Yep. Woo, all right. So, say hi, Colt. Okay. So, guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for staying with me, tuning in. Well, I'll show you some parts. All that's for the XJ for our maintenance stuff. This bumper and that winch is going on Bumble. This bumper, that winch, and that lift kit is going on another customer's. All this stuff is going on Tim's truck, which is back there I'm working on. Oh, I gotta show you these steps that I did. These steps are pretty cool. So he wanted just a single step. He didn't want like the whole running board and with steps. He just wanted individual steps. So check this out. Rough Country has these universal, just single steps that you can kind of mount wherever you want. And we did that, and it actually came out looking pretty cool. So I was pretty impressed. Usually things that are universal don't work very well, but no, that worked out. So it's literally perfect for, especially when you get in. So like my foot goes right there, and then I step on in. So that's freaking awesome. But anyways, guys, I appreciate it. Oh, I gotta tell you about Karen. Karen's down. Karen has no front or rear drive shafts right now. So we've been battling a noise ever since rattle rock, or a vibration. And come to find out, we destroyed the front pinion bearing, along with the other stuff. The normal stuff that you already know about. We also demoed the front pinion bearing, the rear pinion bearing, and then both drive shafts got hit multiple times, and so they're bent to hell. So we've been driving around, and damn thing just vibrates about 70 miles an hour. So we're getting Hudlows, our good friends, to rebuild us some drive shafts. So we'll get that thing handled, and then we'll get it back out there off-road. So guys, I appreciate it. We will see you later.